Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the image and know its resolution. Now begin. For Windows, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize. For Mac OS, open System Preferences, right arrow Desktop and Screensaver. Once in the background panel, click Browse or the plus button and navigate to the folder with your image. Select the file and preview. Make sure to keep the source file in place, because moving it will break the link. This gets you to the point where the system can apply the picture. Now fine-tune how the picture appears. Pick a fit option, fill for full coverage, fit to maintain whole image, or span for multiple monitors, and note why. Fill crops to avoid bands while fit preserves edges. If you need precise framing, crop in an editor, then reselect the file. For multiple displays, assign images per monitor or enable a timed slideshow and set intervals. Once you understand these choices, the preview will match your intentions and prevent unwanted stretching or black bars. Final step, apply the change and verify system behavior. Click Apply or Save, then lock the screen or sign out and back in to confirm persistence. Make sure the same user account is selected if you want it for all users. If you want the lock screen to match, set it in the lock screen panel. If the picture looks blurry or low quality, check the image's pixel dimensions versus your display's native resolution and disable display scaling temporarily to test. That one check solves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.